Hilal. Let's have a look at the team then. One change for Al Ittihad from that win over Al Ettifaq. Madela Al Olien preferred at left back, but clearly for Al Hilal. New look compared transfer fees in recent weeks. Milinkovic-Savic is back. Al Ittihad in the black and yellow, Al Hilal in the blue. Again, Fabinho carrying. Hamdallah, lovely little ball around the corner, and the opening goal of the night scored by Romarinho. He is the man for the big occasion. Al Ittihad's all-time top scorer. Hamid, struck beautifully by Mitrovic. That is a hit. That is why Al Hilal have signed him. Ronaldo, Hamdallah, Benzema's touch, lovely from Benzema. Karim Benzema could save from Bono. Would not have been too. Hamdallah, Benzema, it's beautiful. Just that delicate touch of the Frenchman. The number 9s are at the party tonight, aren't they? Mitrovic is a goal of Conte for Al Ittihad. Conte unlucky. Not too often he finds himself in positions such. Milinkovic-Savic's clearance is short. It's a really costly error, and Hamdallah takes full advantage of it. He's having a fabulous start to the season. That is his 5th goal in the Saudi Pro League, but it has been gifted to him. Here's Conte. It's a lovely pass. Benzema is desperately trying to get up there. Here he is. Karim Benzema. Michail. Clever cross, and is that forced in? It is. It's Mitrovic again. Might have crossed the line at the first attempt, but Mitrovic made sure. And Koulibaly's dived in. He's put himself out of position here. Benzema. And now possibly an opportunity that's opening up here for Michail, who has tumbled, and it is a penalty. Wow, how quickly this game has come back in Al Hilal's direction potentially. So for the hat-trick, yes, an instant Al Hilal hero. Alexander Wait, composes himself, then sends in the set piece, and the flick is just wide. Mitrovic, Abdul Hamid, and a reverse pass. Milinkovic-Savic. Oh, they've got another one. Al Dorsari attacked it and made it his. The challenge on him. Here's Benzema, little 1-2. That's the 9-4. It's a big save. At full stretch, Bono. Again, it's all